This is the ball freeze. It is currently 19th of December. It is about 46 degrees outside.
About 35.
Alright, that's even better. Here is Brooklyn. My name is Daniel Benatter, and
my name is John Skvity.
And I'm going to freeze my balls off. It is very cold outside.
That water right there, that black stuff, yeah, it's full of freezing soap. He's on ice right now. He's outside.
Do you like my pool? Okay, alright.
Get
Go
in.
inside.
Get in.
Go inside. You'll give me a towel.